My dear students, in business statistics, data is very important. Data means any kind of raw information which is required for a investigation or research is known as a data. There are two kinds of data, my dear students, like group data and ungrouped data. Data can be collected in primary data and secondary data. When the investigator or the person who is doing research himself participates and collects the data with the help of interviews, with the help of mails, with the help of questionnaires, is said to be primary data. The biggest advantage is it is more reliable. Why? Because the investigator himself is participating in collecting the primary data. And the limitation is it is time taking and money consuming. And if the sample size is small, then primary data is suitable. When the sample size is large, better we collect the data from secondary sources. Secondary sources means if the data is already collected by someone, if we are using that data, like data taken from newspapers, data taken from libraries, data taken from internet and magazines, is said to be secondary data. And if you see the differences between primary and secondary data is more reliable and secondary data little bit less reliable. And for collecting primary data, it takes more time. For collecting secondary data, it's very easy. And in case of money also, my dear students, primary data requires some investment of amount, but here in secondary data it is very less in nature, my dear students. There are various sources of primary data and secondary data, my dear students. My dear students, you as a student has to learn what is the definition of statistics. Statistics are the numerical data which is collected as part of any kind of inquiry or any kind of research. Yes, only the data which can be expressed in numbers is taken as statistics, my dear students. There are different characteristics of statistics, there are different functions of statistics, and statistics is having a lot of importance, my dear students. The scope is very vast. There is no science which is not related to statistics. Enough, my dear students. In today's class, we studied about primary data and secondary data, which is an important topic in business statistics 3. Wishing you all the best, my dear students.